Hi guys, so this is the Starbucks 2021 organizer. So let's see what's inside. So this is the Starbucks Reserve Black. Let's check. Okay, so in this it has two pockets for two sleeves. So this is the Starbucks notebook. And it has cards for it. Also has a handle. And you can also put your phone inside. What else? You can also put money if you want. So this is cute. This is so handy. Of course, you could get different organizers or planners from Starbucks by collecting stickers. So that's it. Hope you enjoy my unboxing video. Bye guys.